this video where we're going to be matching 3D shapes to nets. Now if you haven't already, you need to watch the YouTube video which is on Google Classroom next to this one, or if you're on YouTube you look at the video on the playlist before, and that is an animation which shows you 3D shapes and their nets. So if you've done that, please write in your books I can match 3D shapes to nets, and then create this table, 2 columns, 7 rows with the title of net and shape. Press pause while you do that. Okay, welcome back. On this part of the video you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nets. Nets are what 3D shapes look like if you flatten them out, and you can experiment with this by getting a cereal box or some of the cardboard box out of the cupboard and flattening it out, and then you can look at how you would put that back together, and that's basically what a net is. And then along the bottom you have A, B, C, D, E, F. So you have 1, 2, 3, you have 6 3D shapes and 6 nets. And your job today is to match the net with the shape. I'm going to do the first one for you so you can see how to fill in the table. So I've matched number 1, net number 1, with shape A, which is a cube. So on the table, what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so that you can see it. So I would put in the net, I'll put number 1, because that's the number of the net. But then in this side, I will put it's A, and it is a cube. So let's just look back at that. I've done number 1 and then I've done A. So what you now need to do, you've got nets 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You need to look at those and then you need to try and work out which of the 3D shapes are there. Now I'm not going to tell you the name because by now we should know the names of all of those 3D shapes, as we've done that numerous times in class. So here we have this table. You're going to fill that in. You are now going to press pause. You are going to fill in the table with these, and when you've done that, please unpause the video. Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look then at whether you got the correct answers. So, number 1 was a cube and number 2 was E, a cuboid. So there's 2, and then you can see E down there is a cuboid. Number 3 was D, a cylinder. So there's 3 and there's D, cylinder. Number 4 was the cone. Okay. Number 5 was the triangular prism, C, and 6 was a square-based pyramid. So that's today's lesson. If you have any questions about that, please let me know, and I will see you for the next lesson next time. Thank you for taking part.